In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your Facebook business page password. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account and currently using your Facebook business page. From there, go to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This will open the account menu where you can manage which profile you are using. Next, switch from your business page back to your personal Facebook profile. This is important because the password settings are managed through your personal account, even if you are trying to secure access related to your business page. Once you are back on your personal profile, click your profile icon again in the top right corner. In the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. After that, click Settings to open the main settings area for your account. When the settings page opens, look to the menu on the left side and click Account Center. Inside Account Center, find and select Password and Security. This section contains the tools you need to update your login information and improve the security of your account. Now click Change Password. Facebook may show you the profiles connected to your account. Choose your personal Facebook profile to continue. On the next screen, enter your current password in the first field, then type your new password in the next field, and enter it again in the final field to confirm it. Take a moment to make sure your new password is strong and easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. After entering it correctly, Facebook may give you the option to log out of all devices. If you want extra security, you can choose that option so that any other active sessions are signed out automatically. When you are ready, click Change Password to save the update. Facebook will then apply the new password to your account. Since your business page is connected through your personal Facebook access, this helps protect your page by securing the account that manages it. After the password has been changed successfully, you can continue using Facebook as normal and switch back to your business page if needed. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.